Hello everyone. Whenever we start working in any particular area, it is must to have basic knowledge of that field. Similarly, if we want to start a career as a trader, it is again must to have basic knowledge of share market. In this video, I will try to explain certain points that a trader must consider or learn before infusing his or her hard-earned money into the market. Agenda of this video is to learn how to read structure of the market, never to trade with broken confidence, always practice and follow your trading process religiously, to keep your target realistic, and to develop a discipline while trading. A new trader generally takes random trades, make losses, then do revenge trade, make big losses, and finally exit from the market within a short span of time. This is not the right approach. And before start trading, we should learn about structure of market. Market has basically 4 structures. These structures are bullish, bearish, sideways or highly volatile. So at a time, market may be either bullish or bearish or sideways or highly volatile. So my point is, as a trader, before entering randomly into the market, we must try to identify structure of the market first and then react or trade accordingly. To read these structures, we can follow various chart patterns, technical indicators or price action. The next point is to practice and follow your trading process religiously and not to hop from one system to another. As I discussed in previous slide that market have 4 different structures, so no trading system is always profitable because it may be corresponding to one structure. They all have drawdown, so we must identify that for which structure of market our system is profitable and trade only when that structure is formed. Or otherwise, it is better to have more than one trading system based on the structure of the market and follow that system. All trading systems have their limitations and advantage. If your trading system are not working, then wait for some time. Next is, we must keep our goals realistic. Generally, we enter into market with huge expectations and this results into huge losses for most of traders. A beginner should not target more than 2% monthly return from share market. Big expectations creates risk which most of the time gives big losses. Never trade with broken confidence. There is very famous quote by Lord Krishna, "The losers of the mind are lost, win the win of the mind." And it is valid in all aspects of life, including trading. Similarly, no war can be won with a tired and broken army, and confidence is the foremost gradient for achieving something in life. So, after a big loss, always take a pause, again start from small, get confidence, and then again scale. Develop a discipline while trading. Discipline plays a key role in getting success in all aspects of life. So a trader should always have to follow a strict discipline during trading hours. He or she need to have a trading plan and execute it with a well-defined target and stop loss. Never keep any position open for the sake of luck. Thank you.